Hi kids! Welcome to our learning video. Today, we are going to learn all the alphabets from A to Z with fun examples. Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for apple. A is for apple. Apple starts with A. B is for ball. B is for ball. Ball starts with B. C is for cat. C is for cat. Cat starts with C. Meow. D is for dog. D is for dog. Dog starts with D. Woof, woof. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant starts with E.
Letter F. F for fish. Repeat after me. F, fish. Letter G. G for goat. Repeat after me. G, goat. Letter H. H for hat. Repeat after me. H, hat. Letter I. I for igloo. Repeat after me. I, igloo. Letter J. J for jelly. Repeat after me. J, jelly.
Letter K. K is for kite. A colorful kite that flies high in the sky. Repeat after me. K, kite. Letter L. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. Repeat after me. L, lion. Letter M. M is for monkey, a playful animal that loves to swing in trees. Repeat after me. M, monkey. Letter N. N is for nest, a cozy home for little birds. Repeat after me. N, nest. Letter O. O is for octopus, a friendly sea creature with 8 arms. Repeat after me. O, octopus. Letter P. P is for panda, a cute bear that loves to eat bamboo. Repeat after me. P, panda. Letter Q. Q is for queen. She wears a crown and rules her kingdom. Repeat after me. Q, queen. Letter R. R is for rainbow, full of beautiful colors in the sky after it rains. Repeat after me. R, rainbow. Letter S. S is for sun. It shines bright and keeps us warm. Repeat after me. S, sun. Letter T. T is for train. It goes choo-choo and takes people to different places. Repeat after me. T, train. Letter U. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry in the rain. Repeat after me. U, umbrella. Letter V. V is for violin, a musical instrument that plays beautiful tunes. Repeat after me. V, violin. Letter W. W is for whale, the biggest animal in the ocean. Repeat after me. W, whale. Letter X. X is for xylophone, a colorful instrument you can play with sticks. Repeat after me. X, xylophone. Letter Y. Y is for yacht, a big boat that sails on the water. Repeat after me. Y, yacht. Letter Z. Z is for zebra, a striped animal that lives in the grasslands. Repeat after me. Z, Zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing the alphabet with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. We will sing it once again. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Learning letters is fun to do. V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we've learned our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing the alphabet with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. We will sing it once again. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Learning letters is fun to do. V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we've